It's your Avon representation calling. Hello, it's Rosebud, and in today's video I will be revealing what I got from Avon. One moment, let me just get the package. The products were all bought direct from the Avon website, and I have left a link in the description box below if you are interested in buying any of the products you see in this video today. Okay, first out the bag is a new Pollution Protect clay masks. Don't worry, I will be demonstrating later on in the video all the products. Next we have, oh, what's this? I don't remember ordering this one. Oh yeah, this is the free product you get from Avon for orders over a certain amount, so that was nice of them. Okay, next we have another product by Anew, which is the oil in gel. And finally, out the bag, we have the Avon's Day Cream. The total Avon haul today was about £37. That's including the free delivery as well. So if your order is over £20, your items will be delivered to your door free of charge. And you also get free hand gel as well. So yeah, the delivery is I think up to 5 working days. Mine only took 2 working days. I got mine pretty quick, so I'm pretty impressed with that. Okay, now I'm going to test the products, starting with the Kaolin 15-minute clay mask by Anew. I'm not familiar with this brand, but all their products are clinically tested to deliver the best skin anti-aging results, so that's good to know. They do a range of products that you can get from Avon, like their eye creams. I was tempted to buy the eye cream. I might get that next time actually. That looked pretty good. And cosmetics like lip plumping as well. So let's apply the mask to my face. It's a 3-in-1 mask with antioxidants that will purify and leave your skin with a radiant boost, and it can be used 2 or 3 times a week. It does have a nice consistency to it. It feels light and smooth and goes on your skin really easily. And it also states that it will protect your skin from the impacts of aging and pollution. So to summarise, the mask will reduce impurities from pores and excess oils and help improve the texture of your skin, reducing fine lines basically. You're meant to leave it on your face for approximately 15 minutes. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, it's completely dry now, and I'm just going to wash it off with warm water, and I'll be right back. Next we have the Anew Ultimate Multi-Performance. Please say hello to my little friend. Sorry, this is the Multi-Performance Silken Oil in Gel. So let's get it out of the box. It's presented in a nice gold glass container with a spray to push out the gel at the top. Kind of like that idea. My skin is very dry, as you can see at the moment, and is craving a bit of moisture, and I'm closing all the windows in the house as it's getting colder and putting the central heating on, which plays havoc on my skin. The air is too dry, and obviously it shows on the skin. It's even more important now to drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated, but it's also important for your skin to get extra oils, especially if you're suffering from dry skin like I am. So this is what I went for. So let me just show you the consistency, and I'm just going to apply that on my cheeks first. And yeah, it's not too oily, just enough oil to nourish the skin, and it's left my skin silky smooth as well. Also good to use if you want to gently massage your face, as it's easy to glide your hands along your face like this. So this is what I call the scissors massage to your face to help reduce fine lines along the jawline and mouth area. Please remember, you don't want to tug the skin if you're doing this. If you're going to try this out, just glide gently up towards your ear. Okay, what more can I say? Yes, it's left my skin dewy, moist and nourished. And finally, we have a ageless day cream by Avon with SPF 30 protection, and it also contains green tea extract as well. It claims it will visibly reduce wrinkles and firms the skin, and contains no alcohol. Yeah. So there it is. It's infused with vitamins and antioxidants, which helps hydrate the skin. And can you see there are gold bits within the cream, which are the antitoxins beads. Okay, let's apply to the face and neck, and I think I've applied too much there. Let's put some on my hands and okay, it's now fully absorbed into my skin, and it's nice as well. It feels nice. It doesn't leave it greasy. It's not too heavy. It has a light texture to it. Yeah, it's nice and even, basically. Okay, you probably want to know how much each product cost. Well, a new clay mask cost it costs £15, which is quite pricey, but you do get 50ml. So hopefully that will go a long way, lasts for weeks and weeks. And it also contains a lot of benefits to it as well. A new oil gel costs £16, and the Avon Ageless Day Cream costs £6. Bit of a bargain there. And at the time of ordering, they gave me 100ml hand gel as well, completely free, for orders over a certain amount. Yeah, and if your order's over £20, as I mentioned before, the delivery is completely free. So if you are interested in buying any of the products, please click on the Avon link in the description box below. I'm not being sponsored for any of these products, so I would recommend clicking the link, have a look at what products they've got at the moment. They do have some good deals right now, so especially now it's coming up to Christmas. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed my Avon haul. I might be buying some other products from there, probably a makeup range. So please look out for that. So, yeah, what I'm looking for right now is a long-lasting foundation, and I'm sure I saw one in here somewhere. Let me scroll down. Yeah, as you can see, some of the products are half price, so I'd recommend having a look at the Avon site, definitely. There it is, that's what I had my eye on. They have plenty of shades as well to choose from. They even have my shade, which is a natural beige, and I'm just going to add that to my basket. Oh, look, so it says there, if you spend £8 or more, you get free delivery. Well, that's great. I thought it was £20, but yeah, they've reduced that. Oh. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is buy more makeup products to test out, and I will be doing an update, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to be notified on that video. If this video has been helpful, please give it a like, and if you have any questions about the products in this video or anything else, then please leave a comment below. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye for now. Avon calling, Avon calling. It's your Avon representation calling.